So this is our day 3, and in our day 3 we make this table with student information, info, name, address, city, house. So if we see a table, there are three main heading. The first is info, second is name, third is address, and in the address there are other two, that is a city and house. If we count the row in our table, so the row is, the first is address row, second city, fourth Delhi, fifth Mumbai, sixth Kolkata, and seventh is Pune. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 row. So there are 6 row, and we count the column, there are 1 2 3 column. Now I only count the heading based column. The first is info, second is name, and third is address. So first the caption is student information. So let's make it table. In table we give the border to black, border black, a caption student information. Now first the our table head, and there are three heading. The first is info, name, and address. Table head, three table data. So the shortcut is td multiply by 3. That shortcut for making the multiple data in a single click. So the first is info, second is name, and the third is address. So close the tab that I not used. So table data, the first is info, second name, fourth is address. Now the next one is table row. So there is a first table row in which the city and house. Only the first is info, name, and address, and the below the address there are other two, that is city and house, and this row entry and this row entry are empty. So we make it empty table data. So let's make the table row and table data is 4 multiply by 4. The first two is empty, a city, and the second is house. I will explain it to you by open with live server. So as you can see, first is the info, name, and address, and the second is city and house, but the first is empty. So I will explain it to you later. So the next we make the next table row. The next table row, there also the four table data. So td multiply by 4. So the first is empty, second is A, then is Delhi, the last one is house number 1. Save it and check. So it's working good. Now we make the next table row. Sorry, in next table row the first is empty table data, td 4. The first is empty, second is B, C is B Mumbai and 2. We move to the next table row TR and make the TD multiply by 4. Same as previous one. C, we make the Kolkata and 3. Copy it and paste. Next, and make the D and change into Pune and 4. Now save it and check. So all is done, but in our assignment table, in this case info, there is a row span. How many row span? There are 5 row span. So there are 5 row span in info, and there are 2 row span in name, and address column span is 2. Row span mean it take the path and in column span it take the column. So if I am say sorry for this. So column span mean it take column more than one column. In default case, all the entry have one row and one column. So info has 5 row span mean it take the space of 5 row, and the address have 2 column span mean it take the space of 2 column. So the name take the space of 2 row. So we can change it in our HTML. The first is info row span is row span 6, row span 6, and the name have call span 1, and the address have call span to 2. Now we check our entry. So this is how we make it. The name, you can see our assignment. This is our assignment given that we recreate the following table. So we make it. So you see name and address take the space of 2 column, and name take the space of 1 column, but we can change into row span. Name, here are name row span 2, row span 2, and when we save it, row span we give it to default value and check that. So this is same name, address take the space of 2, and info have the row span of 6. So this is all about our HTML. So we move next to our task 2. So in our task 2, we want to recreate the following table in which the name, sex, male and female, country, and have a select option, then a text area, then a subscribe. This is a checkbox and button. This is also a checkbox, and this is the input. So let's make it. We give it to the heading to task 2 and start. So the first is make the form, we gave it to the action submit. It is optional, you want to give it, but in our practical case we always give some value to action for submit the form to the server or etc whatever you want. So the let's so in this case the first we have a label. Label for what? Label for name. Label for name. Label for name and input type text id name and required mean if the person want to submit the form without filling the name value, it's not submitted. It's what pop up the notification that it must fill this entry of name, then it's submitted. So if we want to remove it, we remove it, but for show I have the email that have the attribute required. Then we have the message, but the first we have missing sex. Label for sex. Label for sex and id. We gave it the id and sex here. No, the for this is a label for sex. Now we want the input field like checkbox. As I show you, for this checkbox we want to first input. We want required input for male. Now type input, type radio, id name. No for this what, and no for label for man. No input for female. Input type radio, id same, name same, sorry semicolon, then name, this is for input for female. Now write the label for female. Female, create the br tag. Now we create this is email. In our question the email is not given, so we remove it, this email, and instead of email we will create the first is name, then sex, then message and submit it. So when we check it, we have missing one things, and the missing things is the country and the subscribe button. So we make it first the country, and if we see our country have the select an option. So first we read the label for option, then option 1 is option. So the in select the name is select an option or name is same and the placeholder is select an option. Now the option 1 is India, Pakistan, and the last is Iran, etc. whatever you want. Our select tag is missing, I think, so we will put it select. So this is all for option. Now we make the first subscribe button. Subscribe button is beside the beneath the message, so we make it under the message. Create the BR tag here, so it's separate. So also now message. So we have the first the input type checkbox, ID subscribe, name subscribe. Now label for subscribe and subscribes exclamation marks. So the next is submitted. We here create a BR tag. This is all about our form. We check in our output. So here is the name India, Pakistan, message, subscribe. So here one thing is that the message text area is above the message. So here we give it to the BR tag though. So the next also task to here I want to create the H2 and here I task 2. Now we check our here I BR tag for the space, but for practical case it's not usual that you use the BR tag in every place. So this is for practice. So there here you can see when I female male. So